Assalamualaikum students. Today our topic is preposition. Now what are preposition? Preposition are words that tell you where something is located or positioned compared to something else. Aside from telling you where something is located, prepositions can also tell you when something happened. We use prepositions all the time when we are describing people, places and things. Prepositions are words that we use before noun or a pronoun to show their relationship with other words in a sentence. Let's have a look at the example below. The cup is on the table. Here the word on is a preposition. For instance, prepositions are used to make clear where a noun is. In this picture, the ball is in the box. The ball is on the box. The ball is under the box. The words in, on, under, next to, behind, in front of, and between are telling us the position of a ball. We will look at more examples. The apple is on the table. The apple is under the table. The boy is leaning against the wall. The boy is going inside or in the room. Prepositions can give you a sense of direction. They are used to show direction of movement to and from a fixed point. The words to, from, into, along, over, through, across, and around are some examples of preposition. Here are also some examples of preposition. I am walking to school. Richard came into the room. The word to and into are preposition. Prepositions can tell you where a noun came from. They are running around the tree. Tim jumped over the fence. Now, come on, students, we will do this exercise together. Here are some preposition in the box. We have to fill in the correct preposition in the blanks over here. The cat is under the table. The mouse is on the table. Now, you can also try and do the rest of the exercise together. I hope you have enjoyed today's topic. We will do more practice in our class. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.